Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Morawski again, reading books to celebrate mothers this week before Mother's Day. The book we're going to read today is called 5 Minutes Peace by Jill Murphy. I love this page. Look at the family following mom. 5 Minutes Peace. The children were having breakfast. This was not a pleasant sight. Mrs. Large took a tray from the cupboard. She set it with a teapot, a milk jug, her favorite cup and saucer, a plate of marmalade toast, and a leftover cake from yesterday. She stuffed the morning paper into her pocket and sneaked off toward the door. "Where are you going with that tray, Mom?" asked Laura. "To the bathroom," said Mrs. Large. "Why?" asked the other two children. "Because I want 5 minutes peace from all of you," said Mrs. Large. "That's why." "Can we come?" asked Lester as they trailed up the stairs behind her. "No," said Mrs. Large, "you can't." "What shall we do then?" asked Laura. "You can play," said Mrs. Large, "downstairs by yourselves, and keep an eye on the baby." "I'm not a baby," muttered the little one. Mrs. Large ran a deep, hot bath. She emptied half a bottle of bubble bath into the water, plunked on her shower cap, and got in. She poured herself a cup of tea and lay back with her eyes closed. It was heaven. "Can I play you a tune?" asked Lester. Miss Large opened one eye. "Must you?" she asked. "I've been practicing," said Lester. "You told me to. Can I please, just for 1 minute?" "Go on then," sighed Mrs. Large. So Lester played, and he played "Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star" 3.5 times. In came Laura. "Can I read you a page from my reading book?" she asked. "No, Laura," said Mrs. Large. "Go on, all of you, off downstairs." "Well, you let Lester play his tune," said Laura. "I heard. You like him better than me, and it's not fair." "Oh, don't be silly, Laura," said Mrs. Large. "Go on, then, just one page." So Laura read, and she read 4.5 pages of Little Red Riding Hood. In came the little one with a trunk full of toys. "For you," he beamed, flinging all of them into the bath water. "Thank you, dear," said Mrs. Large weakly. "Can I see the cartoons in the paper?" asked Laura. "Can I have a cake?" asked Lester. "Can I get in with you?" said the little one. Mrs. Large groaned. In the end, they all got in. The little one was in such a hurry that he forgot to take off his pajamas. Mrs. Large got out. She dried herself, put on her bathrobe, and headed for the door. "Where are you going now, Mom?" asked Laura. "To the kitchen," said Mrs. Large. "Why?" asked Lester. "Because I want 5 minutes peace from all of you," said Mrs. Large. "That's why." And off she went downstairs, where she had 3 minutes and 45 seconds of peace before they all came down to join her. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again tomorrow.